just saw a heron eat a perch. So I'm gonna go fishing for a perch right now and try to get one.
You heard me? Let's get it.
Talking about that guy right there.
And it looks so good for perch right now. I'm gonna tie up. A perch jumped right over there. This one's good fun. Have to go over there. They're not even far away. And I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna feel it. So tap, tap, tap. That's perch. I saw him eat 2 perch in front of me, so I know there's perch. That's the problem.
What?
I think this swivel is honestly too small. Maybe I have one in my back.
We keep chasing our dreams. We
I
know
don't want
victory.
See? That's bigger than that one, so it's not going to slide now. In the Carolina again, it's a bigger swivel. So what I did, went through this hole, twisted about 8 times, and then there's like a loop at the bottom, like a hole at the bottom, not that metal hole, but there's a hole that the line makes, and you go through that hole and then pull it tight. And I'm gonna do that again.
So you do that once for the weight,
Yes.
and then on the other side, you do it again to put the hook on.
But now also with a bigger swivel, I can cast further. The bigger swivel helps it sink too. You like that mini hole that the line makes? I go through this.
Right, not through the swivel hole, but through the line hole.
Yes.
Pull it tight.
And then pull it tight. I used to spit on it, but now you're not supposed to because it now makes like it. Oh my god. It like faces the line.
Really?
Yes. And
Do you say thank you to the sand crabs?
yeah. There's a lot of them, so you don't really have to, but you should. With it. Get that. It sinks because it's live bait and they just move around on the floor, on the ocean floor. Yeah. Oh. Did I get hit? I think I just got hit. And I fell off the floor. Now there are some perch right here, I know. Like for sure. There's some perch right here. I've caught 6 in one day right here. Honestly, I'm gonna check the bait, and what I'm gonna do while I'm checking the bait is go like this. So, the bait's thawed a little. Oh, perch. Ooh. Oh, it's a girl. Look at
How do you know?
his eggs.
Let's see. Oh, wow.
Little orange eggs. Okay, so I did it right through the back. This is probably gonna keep it alive this time. You wanna be careful with them live because they could get off easier or dig into the sand. I had a for sure hit. Oh, those are some big crabs. Jeez. Mom, look at those. Look at them.
Where?
Right there. Look it. On the wall. Those have some meaty claws, too. Do you see those guys?
I do.
These are fat. If this actually doesn't work, I'm going to have to switch to crabbing.
Wasting time.
Indeed.
And the sea, I think.
Oh, and he's gone.
Jeez.
What is that?
Goat sandworms. I hope these work. See? These smell like rotten eggs. And the fish love them for some reason. But they smell like rotten eggs.
So I guess I'll remain the same.
Why are you trying to catch a perch?
To eat. My baby sister loves my fish tacos. And
Lord, I'm just gonna sit at the top of the bed.
Ooh.
When you feel the fish, what do you want to do when you feel it? Bite.
Set the hook like that. My crab rig.
Why?
The fish are not biting right now.
Sometimes that happens, huh?
Now I'm gonna try to catch some green crabs to eat. Then, I make some pretty good green crab. I love green crabs. They taste actually really good. They're basically Dungeness. Really teeny green Dungeness. But they're taking over. No limit. There's no size. Like, they're invasive, so take it all out there. Now I'm just gonna rip a couple pieces off. Like that. Yucky, disgusting squid. But the crabs will eat this for days. They love squid. The different setup is you just tie a knot onto the crab rig and put bait in and then drop it down. Look at the blue heron. He's looking for fish. Oh, it's incoming guide. They love incoming guide.
Who does?
The crabs. See, it's incoming. You can tell because the water's coming this way. It's coming in.
What'd you get?
Huge crab.
Let's see.
One of the biggest crabs I've got.
That is a big green.
Look at that claws, like.
Nice green crab. Girl or boy?
Boy,
How do you know?
triangle on the bottom.
That's how you can tell. What would a girl look like?
Circle and then a mini triangle like that. Commercial Dungeness today.
Really?
Yes.
Why can't you keep them?
It's not season right now. I wish it was because I got two commercial, both claws, like.
I guess the green crab will have to do.
But it will clean this guy. So, alright. Easy way. Not too quick, but pretty quick. He dies basically instantly. Poke him right here. And this is his nervous system. And I just stab it in. See? He's basically dead. There. And now it's easier. It's all cracked. Right there. So now, there. Rip this top part of the shell off. Fill that in. And then I'm going to take all of this guts off. It's dinner. Now I'm going to wash this stuff.
Good work, Dane.
That's what the crab is like. And then, there. Crack it open.